everyone. I hope everybody's doing good. I am super busy today, per usual, and I'm gonna throw together a crock pot meal for my husband. I'm gonna make some creamy ranch pork chops for him, and I'm gonna make General Tso's chicken for me, and then we're gonna have that over rice. I am allergic to pork and beef, if you're wondering why on earth is she making two meals. So if you've been following me, then you know that. But if you haven't, unfortunately, I'm allergic to pork and beef. He's camera shy, but I'll definitely let you know how he liked it because I'm sure it's gonna be good. I mean, it's got all the right stuff in it. So let's go ahead and get started with this. First, we're gonna start by oiling the crock pot. Now, if you wanna use a plastic liner, you do you, I'm gonna do me. You just cannot convince me that to some degree you're not eating plastic. I just don't like it. Now we're gonna take 4 center cut pork chops that are partially frozen. I did wash these, and we're going to place them in the bottom of the crock pot. And make sure you wash your hands. Add a can of cream of chicken. Now add a can of cream of mushroom. If you wanna mix it in a bowl, that's fine, but if you're in a hurry like me, or maybe you're headed off to work, just go ahead and mix that in the crock pot. Add a pack of ranch seasoning mix. And that's it. Put a lid on it, turn your crock pot on to low, and we are going to cook this about 6 to 8 hours. Now, if you want to cook it on high, you can cook it for about 4 hours.
After about 7 hours, this just fell apart, and my husband loved it. He loved it so much, he took the rest of it to work for lunch.